friends! Today we are going to be doing some math time, and it is going to be about small, medium, and large. I see on our screen it says those words and their boxes, and I also see some little snails. So first you're going to say these words with me. I'm going to show you the toy and its size while we say it together. So let's say it together. Small, medium, and large. Let's look at them all up next to each other. Here they are. They're getting bigger as you go up. So we've got our, say it again, small, medium, and large. See how much taller my rocket ship is than my puppy? My puppy is bigger than my caterpillar. So this one is small, this one is medium, he's kind of medium, and this one is large. We're gonna also do that with our hands. So we're gonna show each other small, medium, and large while showing it with our hands. So we're gonna get ready to say it at the same time and show me with your hands. Ready? Small, put your hands kind of close together. Medium, let them get a little bit bigger, and large. Now put your hands wide apart. You could even go all the way across the big room. Let's bring it back down to medium and small. Good. So now that we know small, medium, and large, you are going to help me figure out how to organize these pictures. We want to go from small to large. So we're going to look at these snails, and I see a really tiny snail, a small snail, a medium snail, and a large snail. And I see also those boxes that match those sizes. So first we're going to do it together. This snail is kind of medium. He's going to go in the medium box. This snail, let's put it next to each other. He is smaller than my medium snail, so he's going to go in my small box. Whoa, let's put him on top. He is way bigger. He is a large snail. Okay, are you ready to check our work? Let's see if we did it right. Let's submit our answer. Yay! We got it right. Thumbs up. I'm going to kiss on my brain, because I'm proud of my hardworking brain. Kiss, kiss. Okay, now we're going to do it again together. Let's figure it out. Ooh, they're trying to trick us. They want us to go small, large, then back to medium. So let's look at my whales. I see our picture today right now is whales. They're up next to each other. One whale is this big. Let's put him on top. Oh, he's bigger than that one. This whale, is he bigger? Oh, no, he's very, what is he? This whale is small, so I'm going to put him in the smallest box. He is so small. Okay, now I need to find my large, so I'm going to should I put this whale in my large box? Tell me yes or no. No, you're right. He is not the large whale. This whale is very big, very large. And this whale is kind of medium. Let's check our work. Good job. Oh, I'm going to kiss my brain. Kiss my brain. Good. Okay, now what's our next picture? Some piggies. Piggies. We have small, large, big and large, and medium. Show me with your hands again. Let's show again. Small, large, and medium. So we need to put these pigs in their right box. They need to go home. So first we are looking for the small piggy. The small piggy. Is this the small piggy? Does he fit? No, Miss Roth. No, he does not fit. Let's look again. Is this the smallest piggy? Yes, thumbs up. That is the smallest piggy. All right, let's look. I'm gonna put these piggies next to each other. Oh, he looks does he fit in this box? No, not in the medium. He needs to go in the large box. That leaves us with this guy. What size is he? What size is he? Medium. I see my letter M. Medium. Let's check our work. Let's check our work. Yay! We did it! Confetti, confetti. Okay, now you are going to tell me what to do with this one. First, you watched me do it. Then we did it together. Now it's your turn. So you need to sort these zebras from small to large. Let me show you again. From small, medium to large. Oh, man. So the first one we want to find is the small zebra. Is this the small zebra? No. Is this the small zebra? Yes, that's his home. He goes in the small box. Let's look for our medium zebra. Our medium zebra. Let's look at these two zebras that don't have a home yet. This one is smaller. He fits on top of my big one, so he is medium. Good. And what does that make this one? He's the last one. So he is large. He is large. Good. Let's check our work. Let's check our work. Did we get it right? Kiss your brain. I'm kissing my brain. Oh man, we got it right. Now you can play this game by yourself. I'm going to have the link. You will play and put the animals from small, medium, and large in their right boxes. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye.